When your client makes a payment to the IRS, code 670 is how it shows up on the transcript. Here is what to verify. 670 means payment with return or on a balance due. The amount next to it is what the IRS applied, and the date is when it posted to the account. Here is the common issue. The 670 amount does not always match what the client sent. If the IRS applied the payment to a different tax period, it will show up on that year's transcript instead. If your client paid but you do not see 670 on the expected year, check other tax years. Also watch for code 672, which is a payment transferred from another tax year. And code 670 with a future date means the payment is pending and has not yet fully posted. For clients on installment agreements, you should see regular 670 entries. If they stop appearing, the agreement may be at risk of default. Transcript Tax Monitor Pro tracks payment codes across all tax years and flags missing payments.
Free code lookup in the description.